in subsequent meetings, good afternoon, everyone. Again, I'm recording, so I have to say this again. If you have an issue, let me know. But subsequent meetings, I expect all of us to go through a tutorial. Like we use a software, and every meeting we go through it. We do like twice, and that's it. So God willing, next year, 2022, finds us. We are going to do 2 practicals or 3, then we say goodbye, because GIS is quite practically oriented. So you can't just be talking about theories and not, as it were, show people exactly how it works. Okay. So take note of that. So there's a software I recommend for all of you to install. The software is called QGIS. I think this is like the 100th time, like someone said, the umpteenth time that I've said I'm mentioning that word, that particular software. It's free, easy to download and install. Get the latest version of the software, install it, and let's use it. Okay, so we'll take our time. I'll give you a tutorial material, so we all go through it. And then that's it. I mean, I may give you an assignment based on the use of that software. So don't take it for granted. Okay, it means a lot to me that I do this tutorial. So, I'm your examiner. I feel it's important that you're able to use the software to some extent. So don't joke with it. Is that okay? Don't. QGIS, there's a Windows version, there's one for Apple, Mac, those who have MacBooks, yes. So you can get any version that you want and install it. Get the latest version, like I said. And then let's do the practical. Okay, so if you have an issue, don't wait to the last minute and you are not able to install it. Is that okay? So this is something maybe I should be saying at the end of the lecture, but let me just say it now, so that in case I forget, then you don't, what your expectations are for the next lecture. If you're going to join an online for that tutorial, I expect that you make provision for enough bandwidth. Make sure you fix your internet. I don't want any stories. I'm in a village and all these things. I'm not going to tolerate it. Okay, I'm not going to take it. So there'll be no excuses. Is that okay? You are just going to make sure that you have the software installed. You have good internet. If you're going to be online, if you're going to be physically present, that's even better. Then in that case, we can deal with all your issues. But the assignment you are being given is to install a software. And I don't know how I can even put that. Maybe I should just put it on Google. I'll put it on Google Classroom. The assignment is to install QGIS software. So if you don't install it, then of course, it's an assignment that you are not doing. All right. So let me not waste your time. So this lecture can be long or short depending on how it goes. Okay, but make sure you understand it. Okay, people have failed this course sometimes, and I don't know. I feel it's not, it's not acceptable. You can't fail a course that talks about something that's around you. Are you okay? Unless you're not conscious. Anyway, but so the software looks like this. Please, yeah, I just wanted to show you quickly, and we carry on. When you install it, you have a menu and everything. It's a Windows based software. So, yeah, like I said, it has all the menus and everything, okay, in there. All right, so take note of that, and yeah, just contact me if you have issues, and let's deal with it. So let's talk about surfaces. Let's close them and we go. All right, so surfaces. What are surfaces? We take it for granted. Everybody knows what a surface is. So what we're talking about in the context of GIS, okay, or in the context of geographical phenomenon or geospatial technology, GIS. Surfaces represent phenomena that have values at every point. Okay, so you take that statement literally to be trivial, to think, oh, okay, everybody, what does it mean by this? So every surface Like right now, my hand is on the surface, on the table, and there are values, okay, that can be associated at every point on this table. Where you have the wood, there is a value there that represents the presence of the wood. Are you okay? So that's how surfaces are. They are what we all use to table surfaces, but you can extend it, you can scale it. You can scale it up to say the environmental level. Okay, so that you can look at it in terms of city space, okay, and then ask